Learn useful everyday words and phrases. Teacher-student conversations. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Magandang umaga, ma'am. Magandang umaga, sir. Good morning too, my dear students. Magandang umaga din, mahal kong mag-aaral. How was your vacation? Kamusta ang inyong bakasyon? It's fine, ma'am. We enjoyed it a lot. Mabuti naman, ma'am. Sobrang saya po. Good. Are you now ready for our next lesson? Mabuti. Handa na ba kayo sa bago nating aralin? Yes, we are excited to learn. Opo, nagagala kaming matuto. If that's so, get your notes and follow my instructions. Kung ganon, kunin ang inyong kwaderno at sundin ang aking instruksyon. Are you done, class? Tapos na ba kayo? Anna, kindly write this word on the board. Anna, pakisulat ang salitang ito sa pisara. Why are you crying? Is there any problem? Bakit ka umiiyak? May problema ba? I'm hungry, Mom. I haven't eaten since last night. Nagugutom po ako, Ma'am. Hindi pa po ako kumakain simula kagabi. Oh, I see. Here, take this money and buy yourself some foods at the canteen. Ganun ba? Heto pera, bumili ka ng makakain sa kantin. Thank you very much, ma'am. You're so kind. Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Ang bait ninyo. You're welcome. Walang anuman. I hope you learned something today. Sana'y may natutunan ka ngayong araw. Should I call your parents? Gusto mo bang tawagan ko ang mga magulang mo? No need, ma'am. I can handle this. Huwag na po, ma'am. Kaya ko na po ito. Okay then. Mabuti kung ganun. Let's proceed to our topic. Dumako na tayo sa ating aralin. Introduce yourself using an adjective. Ipakilala ang iyong sarili gamit ang pang-uri. To which thing can you compare yourself? Why? Sa anong bagay mo maihahalin tulad ang iyong sarili? Bakit? What's your favorite subject? Ano ang paborito mong asignatura? Who is your favorite teacher? Sino ang paborito mong guro? You study hard to reach your goal in life. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti upang makamit mo ang iyong pangarap sa buhay. Thank you so much. Please click like, share, and then subscribe.